So we're gonna take off this upper control arm because the one on the silver one is messed up. We're also gonna take off the exhaust and the sway bar because that one has a sway bar. So we're gonna take that one off. Oh, it's fairly easy. Now I just gotta take the bolts up there, a couple of bolts over there, sway bar right here. But first I'm gonna take the exhaust off. Let me see how much I get done because the sun is already setting and I have minimal light over here. So yeah, so we're able to take the camber arms, the exhaust, and the sway bars right there. That's all I need. It's probably gonna go on this one or maybe the silver one. Time to take the pieces off this car and go back to stock. Lift it up, take off the wheels, replace those camber arms, sway bar, and the exhaust. So there it is. I took the control arm off of this one, took down the exhaust. I was in the process of taking off the sway bar, but I'm gonna call it a night tonight. I'll finish it up tomorrow morning.